Hi there folks, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I've come back to Perthshire. I'm actually at the Loch Leven National Nature Reserve, or NNR, and there is also the RSPB Loch Leven Reserve, which is the other end of the loch. So the National Nature Reserve, which is where I am just now, is just on the outskirts of Kinross. And if I'm correct in thinking, I possibly should be able to see the castle from here. Not too sure, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be able to see it and point it out to you. So I'm just going to grab my things in a minute, head on out. And just before I do that, if you enjoy my channel, if you enjoy my videos, if you can click on that subscribe button, click on that notification bell, leave some likes, leave some comments, it's always really appreciated. And if you'd like to support the channel further, I will post a link to the channel's coffee.com page and the channel's TikTok account in the description bar below. So if you're interested in having a look at them, follow those links. So yeah, it's a bit overcast just now. I actually thought it was going to be nice and sunnier today, but it's dry and it's not too cold. So that's always a bonus. So I'm gonna grab a bag and get out the car and go for a wander. And I do apologise for the noise. I think they're doing some work on a wee area behind me. So there's the idea of where everything is. There are toilets, wee ranger's office. Gonna head in this way. And I think I've already gotten a wee glimpse of the castle, so I'll head down this way and have a wee look. Yeah, normally you would be able to get across to Loch Leven. So boat trip, and I'd probably come back when things have calmed down and go on the wee trip, but obviously with things as they are right now, some things are still not opened up yet. But that's the island over there. I think you can just make out the castle. I'm trying to see if we can get a wee bit closer. There's a wee pier over there. I'm starting to suspect that there might be a closer point to see the castle from, because I know there's people parked up over there. So I'll definitely go for a wee wander around that direction. But this is Loch Leven. Yeah, everybody comes to Scotland and they go to Loch Lomond, they go to Loch Ness. But this is just stunning. They have these information points. Yeah, I think that's what I was seeing in the water, was the blue-green algae. So just telling people to stay out of the water just now. Yeah, so things like that happen now and again. So where I was just there is just there. So I'm going to try and get into the Kirkgate point, which should give me a better view of the castle. And just going along the boardwalk. I don't know what that house is. be interesting. Yeah, the house that I saw kind of back that way, I've just found out that it's Kinross House, it's called. So I think I've come across it online, because I'm going to try and see if I can get access to the grounds anyway, and try and see if I can go for a wee wander, because it looks like it'd be quite a nice wee place to explore. Yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be able to go for at least a wee wander around the grounds and get a wee video for you. So fingers crossed, and hopefully I'll be able to find a good viewpoint to let you get a good view of the castle. So I'm going to try to see if I can get one from here. Oh, that's Loch Leven Castle over there. Be a good week's place to go and explore when it's opened back up again. Yeah, so with this nature reserve being here and the RSPB nature reserve not really been that far away, Loch Leven is definitely a haven for wild birds. So if you're into your ornithology, if you're into bird watching, definitely somewhere to come and visit. Because if you can hear I think it's a flock of geese going by. Oh, I think I could have got a bit quiet just now, but yeah, there's definitely a lot of people out with their dogs, a lot of people out just walking and enjoying being out in the countryside, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful place. So I am planning, when things get back to some sort of normality, I will be coming back here, because I will want to go over to the castle, because I think that'd be a nice little trip to show you all. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to head back to the car. I'll head into the town of Kinross itself. I'll try and see and I'll shoot a video there. I'll try and see what else I can find in the local area, because Perthshire's one of those areas it's just filled with so much to go off and explore and discover. But so many people don't seem to realise that it's all here. So hopefully you will have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.